This is what's new with Underlord, and it's as of 14 hours ago, that is July 10th, 2025. Through the whole of July, Underlord is still free to use, unlimited all month. So we've got until the end of July to keep using it without using your credits and all that. But what's new? Underlord can create a video from a PDF of a slide deck so you can impress your coworkers. So you can create an avatar video of these slides with playful narration. That is more or less like a prompt. Take this video recording and this slide deck and turn it into a video about my company strategy using the slides as B-roll. So that's something else you can do with your PDF slide deck. Now, I do have a PDF here, right here, on what can Descript do. Created a couple of years ago. You can see 16 plus use cases. If we go back into Descript here, I've already uploaded my slide deck and used one of the prompts, create an avatar video of these slides with playful narration. Now, if I go to the start, you can see what it has done. It's gone through the script, and if you look at actually the details, it's read the script, read all the slides as they are. For example, if you go to the start here, you'll see 16 plus use cases. If you look at this, you can see it's gone through that and understood what goes on, and then comes up with something like this. If I play it slightly.
Welcome to our journey through Descript's dynamic capabilities, where over 16 exciting use cases await adventurers like you. Ready to dive in?
So super cool, super awesome. Now, you can see somewhere it's mentioned added avatar to speaker. I've not seen, and I'm assuming this should be the avatar, but it's not been added. The slides, all of them are in, everything is in. It kind of follows in and understand what's going on, but not in all slides, but it's a good way. So what you do is you come to your project here, you add your PDF right here, go files, upload, or just drag and drop. And once you do that, you then come to Underlord and then put in your prompt, and it's going to do everything for you. So that is one. You can do the PDF of slide deck and then just tell Descript Underlord to do the rest for you. So it can add scene transition effects like fade, crossfade, directional wipes, star wipes, and blur, and it can add animations like Ken bands, pans, and zooms. So the prompts look like this. Can you make all transitions crossfades, please? Not smart transition. So most of the transitions being applied are more or less smart transitions for different selections here. But instead of doing that, you actually now just put in a prompt to kind of change all those transitions. So it's really good that you can actually just do this by using a prompt. Then we have add the Ken bands effect to all my images. This can be used for something like slideshow videos. And then you can apply a dramatic pan from left to right on this photo. Super simple. So instead of doing all that hard work sometimes, just tell it to do it. Visual editing is better with multicam support. Whenever Laura is speaking, just show Laura. When Christine is speaking, show Laura and Christine. Laura should be in every scene. So simple. Multicam, you can do it quickly with this now. Apply automatic multicam to create dynamic scene switching. So there are more or less prompts. And I've also done some improvement to social clip creation, adding stroke using your project files, basing audio controls, and the Underlord user experience. So as I mentioned, it's still free in July. We're giving out you an unlimited Underlord all month. If you were born in July, consider this our birthday present. If you are born some other month, consider this a way to get you using Underlord. So that's more or less what's new. You can do all these PDFs, just give some prompts here for transitions, and also multicam support is much better. So that is what is new in Descript Underlord. Try it out. I've noticed, if I'm not mistaken, I did not get to see any avatar for this one, but as you can see, they mentioned here generating the avatar video is a long running process while it's generating. Editing and agent interaction will be temporarily disabled. If you change the script, you'll need to regenerate the avatar video. So that's been there for the avatar videos. So would you like to proceed and generate the avatar video? Let's see. Yes. So I was wrong there. So I need to tell it to generate the avatar video for me. So That is what was missing. These are more or less like placeholders. The great news, the avatar video has already been generated 23 seconds ago. So why is the avatar video?
Welcome to our journey.
I don't think it's ready. So avatar generation not available. So it's good to know that, but I do believe it should happen. Maybe that's a bug, and that's why it's more or less being tested out through the whole month of July as well. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you.